Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be taking a look at the Streamline Siren Salt and Pepper Set, which is a mermaid, and it says mythical mermaid worth of legendary table setting. I collect magnetic salt and pepper shakers, or salt and pepper shakers that go together. So what's included in this set is a vintage sea creatures by Streamline 2-piece mermaid salt and pepper shakers, a mythical mermaid worth of a legendary table setting. It includes both the salt and pepper shaker, 5.2 inches by 5.4475 inches tall. It's ceramic and it is hand wash only. And I think these are super cute. A little bit more, it says the Siren Shaker Set from Streamline adds a little seaside charm to your table with a beautiful 2-piece salt shaker that's shaped like a mermaid. The dainty siren calls you with rosy cheeks and a shell nestled in her hands. Her hair is flowing and topped off by holes to allow you to shake out the salt and pepper, while her shapely blue fin. So the front half is the salt and the back half is the pepper. And they sit together to make a tempting figurine on your kitchen shelf or dining table. So I'm going to take this out of the box to give you a see what it looks like. So I haven't actually filled it with salt and pepper just yet. But this is the front and this is the back. And it appears to be made in China. It's not actually a magnetic one, but it is a one that goes together. So it's a really cute product. And if you like mermaids, like most women that I know, like love mermaids, I think you will absolutely love this little addition to your kitchen table or kitchen. They're really nicely put together. They're not super expensive. She's got rosy cheeks and a shell bra, which is really cute. And it makes me think of when I saw The Little Mermaid the first time in the theater, and when I was probably, gosh, I think I was in 3rd or 4th grade, and I went with my dad and he took me to see this at the movies. And I was a huge mermaid fan after that. It's wonderful. It's a little mythical creature. I actually have a towel that says, "I'm jealous I'm not a mermaid," which is pretty funny. But these two little sets, these two little pieces that are a set, you pull this little popper out. This is the pepper and this is the salt. And you just fill it with pepper and close it off. And like it said, hand wash only, not super expensive, just a fun little thing to add to your table. Like I said, I have a collection of ones that are kissing ones that are like Hawaiian, like hula dancers, and I have Christmas ones, I have little birdie ones. This is just one that I wanted to add to my collection, even though it doesn't have the magnets inside it. It's a 2-piece that's really cute. I think if you like mermaids, you would be on board with this. You would definitely like to add it to your collection. I think for the price point, for what you get, it's a really good deal. Like I said, I really enjoy mermaids. I love the blue color on the tail. It's very cute. You know that it's pepper because it's 2 holes. And then this one, it's got the 3 holes for our salt. So pepper always has the 2 holes and salt always has the 3 holes. This is a cute little figurine for not too much money and something that will bring a little conversation to your dinner table if you have guests over. You know, it's just a fun thing that'll make you smile in your kitchen. Because salt and pepper shakers, just plain old salt and pepper shakers, are pretty boring. So this is a fun one. And you can see it's a pretty good size. Like you can see it in my hand. It's about as long as my hand, a little bit less tall than my hand. I think it's a really good addition to your salt and pepper collection, salt and pepper shaker collection like I have. So if you have one, I suggest you get this. I would give this 5 stars out of 5 stars. Fully satisfied with this. I think it's really cute that she's got a seashell in her hand. And of course, it's made in China, where a lot of things are made and imported when you buy online. So definitely check this out. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.